Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Mailchimp for investor newsletter campaigns in real estate, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Mailchimp for investor newsletter campaigns in real estate, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have an account, sign up for one at Mailchimp's website. Once logged in, navigate to the audience dashboard. Create a new audience specifically for your investor newsletter if you haven't done so. Click on the Manage Audience menu and select Settings. Here, ensure that the audience name reflects its purpose, like investor newsletter. Include fields such as first name, last name, email address, property interests, and investment history. Once your audience is set up, you can start creating your campaign. Go to the Campaigns section on the left sidebar. Click on Create Campaign in the upper right corner. Choose Email from the options provided. Select the type of email campaign you want to create, such as regular or automated. Name your campaign appropriately, such as Investor Newsletter, month/year. Now, select your audience from the drop-down menu. This should be set to the audience you created for investor newsletters. Next, customize the email content by adding a subject line that grabs attention. Make sure your subject line is clear and reflects the content of the newsletter. In the email design section, choose a template that fits your brand. You can use Mailchimp's predefined templates or create a custom one. Start filling in your template with engaging content. Include sections such as market updates, investment opportunities, and property highlights. Be sure to keep your tone professional and informative. Use high-quality images and compelling copy to engage your audience. After you've added your content, preview the email to ensure everything looks right. Use the preview function to check how it appears on both desktop and mobile devices. Once satisfied, proceed to the confirm step of the email campaign. Review all details to make sure they are accurate, including audience selection and content. When you're ready, choose to send the email immediately or schedule it for a later date. If you're scheduling, select your desired date and time from the options provided. After scheduling, you'll receive a confirmation of your campaign settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.